Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD in lowercase. Color name: brown color, sky blue color, pink color, black color, red color, orange color, dark blue color and neon color. Let's start. Red color, A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for carrot. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for girl. Blue color. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. Yellow color. O for owl. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sister. T for tomato. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for village. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. And at last, a sweet little smiley for happy kids. So kids, what we learned today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. See, so kids, hope you like my video. So don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic, ABCD 1, 2, 3. Till then, bye.